Hello friends, welcome to Trending Steps. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe. Click on subscribe button, and there's a bell icon. Please click on it and click on save. Thank you. Let's go to the video. Hello friends, today I will show you how to use the virtual desktops on Windows 10. So virtual desktops are it's really useful when you have some kind of business environment, or like maybe when you have too much open. For example, in this case I have opened so many things. Okay, it's just messed up. Okay, I'm not able to I'm not sure like what I opened and what I'm not. Okay, this is like it's currently the messed up. So the best option the Windows provides is like I have is a virtual desktop. So virtual desktop also allows you to have a clean taskbar where you don't have anything. All you need to do is click on this on the task view on the Windows 10, and click on the new virtual desktop, and see I'm just switching back to this virtual desktop again. um, See, here is a clean one. I don't see any apps. Okay, I'm not sure, like, I don't see anything. Okay, so I can create like as many as the desktops I want. I can close it if I don't need. This really is a good feature of Microsoft on the Windows 10. Please, people use it, and it will help you for your productivity. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed, and stay updated, stay connected for more this kind of tech videos and updates. Thank you very much. Bye bye.